Deltek Timesheet is a time tracking software designed to help businesses manage employee work hours, project billing, and payroll. Here's how to use it. Log into Deltek Timesheet. Access the Deltek Timesheet portal using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Navigate the dashboard. The dashboard displays time entry fields, project information, and relevant notifications. You can view your assigned tasks or projects here. Enter time. To enter work hours, select the timesheet section. You'll be prompted to choose a project or task you worked on. Input the hours worked for each day, including start and end times, along with any break durations. If applicable, choose the appropriate work type or category. Submit timesheets. Once you've entered all your hours, review your timesheet for accuracy. After confirming the information, click Submit to send it for approval. Review timesheet approvals. Supervisors or managers will review and approve submitted timesheets. You'll be notified of any changes or approval statuses. Reporting. Deltek Timesheet offers reporting tools that allow you to track employee work hours, project costs, and overall time entries.